This is the Symphyotrichum ericoides. It's doing pretty nicely here. Likes this spot. We got, I see another few stems that are getting themselves ready for next year. The patch is well established. It can spread from here. It didn't get as tall as the mother plant did, but the mother plant must have been there for much longer. Mother plant was about 2.5, 3 feet tall. This is struggling to be 12 inches tall. It's probably closer to 10, might be 12 in the best of spots. But it's looking pretty good. It's well established. I'm very happy with this one. This is one that will nicely spread as time goes on. And it's in a good spot for it. It's dry here a lot of the time. It's wet right now, but first half of the year was drought, and first half of the summer season, spring, summer, was drought, and it's had a lot more moisture, and it's coming back nicely. And I love how it just flowers out and is a nice white, and that it's native and so many things like it, especially end-of-season pollinators that may not have as much stuff around to help them over winter. So this is exciting.